you again. Man, the neighbors are going to think I'm so suspicious. Just standing around here waiting for my ride. It's me, remember? You scratched me. I didn't bleed, though. Yeah, it's me, remember me? Can you not scratch me this time? You're a sweet cat. Oh. Good kitty. You smell better today. Look, we got CRT TVs and cats. Good kitty. Oh yeah, cute. That's neighborhood buddy. This was a few blocks down. Another Magnavox. There's a model number. It's from February 95. And half the audience is thinking, oh, it doesn't have components, RF only, just throw it out. Nope, it's got an AV input. Just one, just like the one my parents had, and just like the one my grandmother had. Check that out. Smart, very smart. But the one my parents had and one my grandparents had was 27. Okay, now we're on to the crappy camera app, the one I use the most. Magnavox, assembled in USA. It's a classic 25-inch. It's been around since the 60s, I think. 25-inch sets. Plug the cord in the back, which is smart, very smart, which was their slogan. Assembled in Greenville, USA. 25-inch set from February 95. I myself am from November 95. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Tie wrap for cables and stuff. Anyway, let's open it up. Okay, sorry, we're going to do a screen check. Ooh, it's a bit scuffed. Oh, it's scuffed right there, too. It wasn't soaked, it's morning dew. What is that for? Anyway, now I'm going to take the back off. I hope it has a Philips tube in it. Man, that lucky son of a... The trash truck was literally behind them. Got lucky from the CRT gods. It's from 99. I was just outside going to bring the Magnavox in, and they pull up with this. IJE765. And that one is... nice. It's a Pro View. Yeah, it's a Philips. Pretty dusty. Board's pretty clean in the centralmost part of it. EIA232. That means Magnavox made it. Magnavox made this whole set. Hope it doesn't have vertical collapse or some crap. People just get rid of these because they're old. See, February 95. Philips. That's nice. Speakers made in China. That sounds good. And if that thing blows up, good luck finding another one that's not going to blow up soon after, because there's a lot of counterfeits out there. EIA312 used to be Sylvania, but you know, a North American Philips thing. Ugh. So yeah, it's clean for the most part. Here's the rings. Oh, there's no glue on it. I don't. Oh, and that. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's got a few hours on it. Oh well. Yeah, I put the date. Like I said, it's the last day of bulk pickup, and I saw 6 flat screens. So I was wiping that off, and something bad happened. This thing is moving. What the hell? Just free floating there. Well, just gotta set it correctly. This looks wrong. How's it supposed to stay on there? It's just free sliding. Actually, it's just gotta be straight. Actually, it's just gotta be straight there. But yeah, don't move those rings unless you know what you're doing. It's for for convergence and stuff. Doesn't mean it's bad. It's just gotta position it. Hope it's easy. Hope this thing's not worn out. But let's get it inside. Plug it in, see if it works. Ready? Oh, doesn't work. Yeah, no high voltage. Fly back dead. I'll wake the computer up. Oh! Ooh! Oh, it looks good. Great. Wow. And this is great. Look at that. It's got to get used to the controls. They're analog controls, aren't they? I don't know. Decals. Hold down both. Yep. Dang. Cool. Have fun.